This is the Japanese style suite with lake view, room category TK6 at Hoshino Resorts Kai Nikko along Lake Chuzenji. And so here we go. It's listed as having 170 square meters. Certainly feels that way, but there's almost too many nooks and crannies to actually know what's where. But maybe for large families, it would work well. So anyways, just walk in, over to the left. There's a room here. There's a room past that sliding door. And then over here, there's a guest bathroom with even a male urinal. Look at that. Yep, this is in the room, not a public bathroom. So coming out this way. So this is the main living area, but before we do, let's just cut across over here. I guess this is another room. Hello. They often call these chashitsu or tea room, where you do tea ceremony, or a waiting room or a guest room. So this is the main living room. This is a Japanese style washitsu living room. TV. But Hoshino Resorts Kai Nikko also offers a Western style seating area over here for those who don't want to sit on the floor. We'll get there in a second. So one of the calling cards of this room, or actually the resort in general, but particularly this room, is supposed to be the view of Chuzenji, Lake Chuzenji or Chuzenjiko. Not today, I'm afraid. But we'll have another shot at a good view tomorrow. So this is the Western style room. This houses a fireplace, mini bar, and so anyways, this is where we came in from. But let's take a look over here. So so you saw there's a, so this is the, I don't know if it's the main one, but here's a sink, wash basin. Over here is shower and bath. Unfortunately, it's not onsen. And not only that, but there's no, it's not continually running and regulated like a lot of finer ryokans out there. So anyways, this is where we came in from, this hall. This is the door. Now we're gonna head right. So over here is another bathroom. No male urinal on this one. And then, so this is the bedroom. There's a closet over here. Desk, mirror. This is Western style for sure. Flat screen TV. But Western style with some Japanese elements. You can see kind of these rice paper doors or shoji. And there's a little, I don't know what you call arch. Anyway, so again, supposed to have an awesome view, and if it was even remotely more clear than what we see right now, it would be a spectacular view of Lake Chuzenji. Anyway, so that's the bedroom and the bed living room. And then finally, is that it? Finally this. So this is, I guess, the master area. And another shower and another tub. Seems like the one in the other room is nicer, with nice hinoki wood. But anyways, if there's multiple groups of families, it's kind of nice to have multiple baths, toilets, multiple baths and sinks. But it is a bit confusing, and it'll take a while to get your bearings straight in terms of where to go for what, or where to even find someone. Because my significant other kind of took off somewhere, but I haven't seen her since recording this video 30 seconds in. Anyway, so that's Hoshino Resorts Kai Nikko in the Okuniko area near Lake Chuzenji, which is not in the area where the famous temples and shrines are. Anyways, but nice nature, waterfalls, and whatnot. Hope you enjoyed it.